There are no tutorial videos today. Today I will show you my recent YouTube banner and thumbnails work. So let's start the video. Let's see the banners first. The work is not that good right now, but whatever it is. And if you also want to make banners or thumbnails, I have set the starting price of banner thumbnails at $1 so that more people can get it. Now it's time to see thumbnails. So how was my banner and thumbnail small work? So we will meet again in the next video.